Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe and secure at your home. Welcome to Adult School e-learning classes. I am Shivraju, Faculty of Social Studies. Today, the lesson going on, 5th class Social Studies, the movements of the earth. 5th class Social Studies, 3rd chapter, the movements of the earth. The movements of the earth. Children, are you eager to hear about this lesson? Okay, be ready. In our ancient times, people believe earth was stationary and heavenly bodies revolve around the earth. Believe earth was stationary and heavenly bodies revolving around it. That's a false statement, children. That's a wrong. A Polish astronomer Copernicus said that Earth was not a stationary. Sun was the stationary body and remaining all heavenly bodies including Earth also revolving around the Sun. Sun was the stationary and remaining all heavenly bodies revolving around the Sun. So, the earth has two types of movements. The earth has two types of movements. The first one, rotation. The second one, revolution. The first movement was rotation. The second movement was revolution. Children, now we discuss about what is rotation. Rotation means the movement of the earth rotates on its own axis. The movement of the earth rotates on its own axis. It is called rotation. The earth takes about the time 24 hours complete one rotation. And complete one rotation take the time the earth is 24 hours, I mean one day. Children, the rotating process, the earth always rotating west to east direction. Which direction? The earth rotates from west to east direction. How many directions is there in children? There are 4 main directions, 4 sub-directions. The 4 main directions is east, west, north and south. The 4 sub-directions is northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. 4 main directions and 4 sub-directions. Now come to the lesson. The earth always rotates on its own axis west to east direction. Which direction, children? West to east direction. Due to this, we see sunrise in the east, sunset in the west. Sunrise in the east, sunset in the west. Are you understood, children? Now, what is causes of this rotation? The rotation of the earth causes day and night. The rotation causes day and night. Children, see this picture. This is the earth. This is the sun. The sun rays fall down on the earth. Earth is a spherical shape. Earth which shape? Spherical shape. So that's why the sun rays fall down in the earth. The sunlight receiving half of the earth. The sunlight fall down half of the earth. The receiving sunlight place is called day. Why? Because this place is very bright and illuminate. Very bright and illuminate. That's why this place is called day. The half of the earth received sunlight in a particular time. The sunlight received in the earth a particular time. That place is called day. Remaining half of the part of the earth dark. Dark mean night. Remaining half of the earth there is no sunlight. That's why that place is very dark. The dark place is called night. So the rotation of the earth causes day and night. Day and night. Okay children, I will do a small activity. This is the globe. Globe is a model of the earth. Globe is a model of the earth. This is the earth. This is the axis. This is axis, the north pole direction and the south pole direction. This is point. This one axis. The earth rotates on its own axis is called. The earth rotates on its own axis called rotation. Rotation. The earth rotation, the time will take 24 hours. The earth always rotating from west to east direction. You see, the rotation of the earth causes day and night. How? See this one. This is the small activity. This is the globe. Globe mean earth. This is the torch. The torch mean sun. Okay children. So the earth always rotating. This is the sun. The sun and the sun rays fall down in the half of the globe. Globe mean earth. This place is very bright. Did you notice? This place is very bright. The bright and luminous. So this place is called daytime. The sunlight receiving the particular time of the earth, this is called daytime. The remaining half is the dark. The dark place is called night time. So you see, we rotating and Australia, we see Australia in the daytime. The South America is night time. The earth will rotate in slowly on its own axis. The South America is daytime. The Australia and remaining some countries will be night time. So the half of the where is receiving sunlight, that place is daytime. Where is the dark half of the earth, that is called night time. So the rotation of the earth causes day and night. Okay children, this is the rotation. Okay children, the rotation after the second movement was revolution. The second movement was revolution. The revolution is the earth rotate on its own axis and revolve round the sun. It is called revolution. The revolution definition is the earth rotates on on its own axis and revolve around the sun. You see the picture. This is the earth. The earth rotates on its own axis and revolve around the sun. This is called revolution. The earth revolving a revolution, a fixed path is called, this is orbit. The fixed path is called orbit. Orbit is a oval shape. Oval shape mean an egg shape. I mean elliptical shape. Elliptical shape, egg shape, orbit shape, oval shape, these all meanings is one. This is the orbital shape. The earth rotates in orbit of the earth, an elliptical shape. The earth rotates on its own axis and revolves round the sun, an elliptical shape. It takes the time earth about 365 days by 1 by 4. 365 days, one rotation revolution, 365 days and 1 by 4 day. Rotation means 24 hours. Revolution, the earth takes about 365 days. I mean 1 year. 1 year complete to one revolution. This is the revolution. The revolution of the earth and the changes seasons. You know children, some months are very cold, some months are very hot. You know, spring season, autumn season, rainy season, summer season. This is due to revolution. The revolution of the earth changes of different seasons. Summer, winter, spring, autumn, these seasons occurs in revolution. You see the picture, the position 2, position 3, position 4 and position 1. First, the position 2 you see. The sun tilted towards the very nearer to in northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere, they in summer. The North Pole is tilted towards the northern hemisphere. This month is very hot. That's why this place is very hot. That's why that season is summer. Summer season. Here at South Pole, the South Pole tilted away from the sun. The South Pole tilted away from the sun. This is the winter season. In the north direction, summer. In the south direction, winter. You see, the sun rays fall in this place. The bright place, the northern hemisphere, the northern pole. This is the summer season. Next, the south pole, the winter season. Next, you see position 4. The position 4 is the south position tilted towards the sun. The south position tilted towards the sun. That's why summer. The south pole tilted towards the sun. That's why this place is summer. The northern hemisphere, north pole, they tilted away from the sun. Tilted away from the sun. That's why this place is winter. This place is winter. The southern position, south pole, is a summer season, the North Pole in a winter season. The position 2. You notice, children? Next you see 1 and 3 positions. Third position and the first position. The sun rays fall down in the directly. The sun rays fall down in the directly the northern hemisphere. That's why this is the autumn season. The south pole of the hemisphere, the spring season. Position 3, the tilt towards the sun, directly fall down the sun rays. So this is the autumn season in North Pole. This is the spring season in South Pole at the position 3. Next, the position 4, the tilted the sunwards, the season is autumn. Tilted away from the sun is spring season. Tilted away from the sun is spring season. The 1 and 4th position, the sun rays directly will be there. Did you notice, children? That's why this place is in position 4 and position 3 and position 1. Neither hotter nor very cold. Neither hot nor cold. Position 3 and position 1. In position 2, the sunlight more. That's why the daytime is longer than the night time. Daytime is longer than the night time. In the position 2, the position 4 is night time is shorter. Night time is longer than the daytime. Night time is longer than the daytime. This is the position 4. This is the revolution. Okay, children? Here, the earth actually, one revolution, 365 days and 1 by 4 day, 1 by 4 plus, 1 by 4 plus, 1 by 4 plus, 1 by 4. This is total 1 day. This is 366 days is leap year. The normal year 365 days. After 4 years will be added 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. The total is 1 day. On that time leap year 366 days. The normal year 365 days. In leap year 366 days. So children, 5th class, 3rd lesson, the movements of the earth, 3rd chapter is completed. Now I will give you one assignment. You see, take your textbook, read the lesson, take your textbook and read the lesson, and checkpoint you see. Checkpoint. In page number 21, the earth moves around the dash. Dash is the movement of the earth on its axis. Third one, to rotate once on its axis, the earth takes about. Next, 4th one, the part of the earth which has dash is turned away, dash from the sun. After reading lesson, you fill the checkpoint blanks. After, open the 23rd page. 23rd page you see. Here, read and answer, tick the correct answers. Tick the correct answer is 4. For example, Nicolaus Copernicus said that earth revolved around the dash. Moon, sun, pole star and comets. What said Nicolaus Copernicus? Revolve around the sun. Sun is the correct answer. And remaining, write you. Next, the B. The underline the wrong word in sentence is incorrect. This word is incorrect word sentence is here. You correct. So you see, once the sun rotates from the west to east direction, this is the sun rotates from the west to the east. This is the right, and remaining the sun rises in the west. The sun rises west. Correct or not? Wrong. The sun rises in the east. The west place, and you write east. That's why you write and checkpoint and tick the correct answers and correct sentences. And page number 24, you see 4 questions is there. 4 questions. What is rotation? How long does the earth take rotates on its axis? Explain the days or nights or causes. What is revolution? How long does the earth take the complete one revolution? And how do seasons occur? Explain with diagram. Diagram in this one. Okay, children? You write checkpoint, tick the correct answers and correct sentences and question and answers. Okay, children? Thank you.